Hello student, I am Rekha Bhavsar from Adya Krantivir Vasudev Balwant Phadke Vidyalaya English Medium New Panvel. In the last lecture we have studied the types of set. Now today we are going to start Venn diagram. Ideas or concepts are better understood with the help of diagrams. British logician John Venn was the first to use closed figures to represent set. Such a representation are called Venn diagrams. Venn diagrams are very useful in order to understand and illustrate the relationship among sets and to solve the examples based on the sets. See, subset. If A and B are two given sets and every element of set B is also an element of set A, then B is a subset of A, which is symbolically written as B subset A. It is read as B is a subset of A or B subset A. For example, if A is equal to, in curly bracket, 1, 3, 1, 3, 4, 7, 8, curly bracket complete, then write all the possible subsets of A. Subset means what? If two sets are given, then all elements, every element of set which is in a set A, then set P. See here, set P is equal to curly bracket 1, 3. Set T is equal to curly bracket 4, 7, 8, curly bracket complete. V is equal to curly bracket 1, 4, 8, curly bracket complete. Set S equal to curly bracket 1, 4, 7, 8, curly bracket complete. Set Q is equal to curly bracket 1, 3, 8, curly bracket complete. B is equal to curly bracket 7, 8. All these are possible subset of set A. Okay. Now next one is universal set. Think of a bigger set which will accommodate all the given sets under consideration, which in general is known as a universal set, so that the sets under consideration are the subset of this universal set. Generally, the universal set is denoted by U, and in the Venn diagram it is represented by rectangle. Generally, the universal set is denoted by capital letter U, and in the Venn diagram it is represented by a rectangle. See one example. A cricket team of 15 students is to be selected from a school. Here all the students from school who play cricket is the universal set, and a team of 15 cricket player is a subset of that universal set. Understood this one? Students, all the students from school who play cricket is the universal set, and team of 15 cricket player is a subset of that universal set. See here Venn diagram also. This is an rectangular shape. This one, you draw Venn diagram for universal set as a rectangle. Write the U outside of that rectangle. Again one circle inside that rectangle. Write down there as a team of cricket player, and outside of that all students in school who play cricket. Next one, complement of a set. Let U is an universal set and B is a subset of U as a universal set. If B is a subset of universal set, then set of all elements in universal set which are not in set B is called complement of set. It is denoted by B complement, like this one. First one example is there. Universal set is equal to curly bracket 1, 2, 3, up to 10 curly bracket complete. Set A is equal to curly bracket 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 curly bracket complete. Now you find out the complement of set A. How? All the set of all elements in U, but which are not in set A. Which elements are this one? See here, 1, then 3, 5, 7 and 9. Then you write down A complement is equal to curly bracket 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 curly bracket complete. And see here the Venn diagram of this complement of set. Universal set again represented by rectangle. Outside that rectangle you denote the capital letter U, which is a universal set. Inside of that draw one circle. In that circle denote the set A. Set A elements are 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Then outside of that circle, which is a complement of set A, that is A complement. A complement contains which element? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and then your Venn diagram is also completed. Okay. Now see practice set 1.3. Question number 2. Take the set of natural numbers from 1 to 20 as universal set and show set X and Y using Venn diagram. Understood the question? So here I repeat, take the set of natural numbers from 1 to 20 as a universal set. Means universal set containing which numbers? Natural numbers from 1 to 20. So right here universal set U as 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 20 curly bracket complete. Okay. Now show the set X and Y using Venn diagram. But before that, what is the set X? Set X is curly bracket X such that X belongs to N. Means X is a natural number. X is an element of natural number. And 7 less than X less than 15. Means which numbers are there? See here, X equal to curly bracket 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 curly bracket complete. Right? This is the set X. Then denote by Venn diagram. Again for Venn diagram you draw rectangle, denote the U, capital U as a universal set. Inside of that draw one small circle, denote the set X. X set having which elements? 8, 9, 10, 11, 14, 12 and 13. And the remaining elements of universal set denote to the outside of that circle. That is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Then your Venn diagram is completed. See the Y. Second one question same. Y is equal to curly bracket Y such that Y belongs to N. Again Y is a natural number and Y is a prime number from 1 to 20. Then you list here which numbers are prime number from 1 to 20. Universal set, you know that. Which one is a universal set? Universal set is equal to curly bracket 1 2 3 4 up to 20, curly bracket complete. Y set is a prime number from 1 to 20. Then write down the prime numbers. Set y is equal to curly bracket 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, curly bracket complete. This is the y set. Then denote this one y set with the help of Venn diagram. Again, Venn diagram to drawn by universal set denoted by rectangle, represent by rectangle, and also inside that small one circle which is a set y. Y set element is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. Outside of that circle, means in that rectangle, which numbers are remaining? 1, 4, 8, 6, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 20 and 18. And then this is the Venn diagram of set y. Thank you, student.